Well, what's up, man? We came up to Tricked Out Cycles real quick. This boy want to get a big 30. What size that wheel? 30? A 30 put on his bike and change the back. The whole back on his Harley. We up here in this joint today. Came up to Tricked Out Cycles. Let's get to it. See what they got in here.
No, that's what I was about to say.
Bolt-on kit, chin spoiler, arm stops in there, and that's broker paint. I'm assuming you already got that. Installation, 6 hours. Labor for the paint. Windows, forks, shim kit.
Big tire on the front of this joint. So good. I think they said they want 20 for this.
This is just an estimate. Rough, sight unseen estimate. That may come back when you start flat. Straight time.
What kind of bike is this? Vulcan. Wow, this Vulcan looks good. Got carbon fiber on this one.
Bags up on
Change the bar. Nah, that's the regular cables. I don't know, we gotta come look at the bully. They put bags on the bully. Wow. This is the perfect way.
Hey man, break your leg.
Freedom? I like the way they did this. Bags on the back of this joint. Wow. Old school jigsaw 1100. Longer. Yeah. This old school Virago. Is that a bigger tire on there? Let's see. Nope, standard. Different colors. Okay, please. Rubber fiber. Different killer calipers. 240. That's an M109 tire. Mine's a 260. I bought mine a 260.
We didn't do nothing. They did everything else. That's why he was like, if you want to leave 4, that'll bring you up to 5. And then you would just pretty much labor.
Out Cycles, baby. Look at that. Should be driving that Harley today.
Now that's got air ride. We're not doing air ride in the front.
No.
So don't look at where the upper is. Yeah. I think we started ordering shit. It does include the installation. And this is a cash. I think you left cash before. Yeah, no landing gear. This don't even really cover nothing on the rear except the rear fender and bags.
Just got the fleet.
Nothing with the suspension or something like that. It's just mainly the front.
You got it in the notes he said, think about it, but like I always think, because I'm like,
Cause that's another 2,200 in parts. Easy.
I forgot which way he said that. Right there, I think the 3 air past that where Earth.
This one, yeah, you don't want the steel shocks though. You want to go with the aluminum ones.
It's like a Fury.
Right? They're all dusty and shit. But these is the joints you got. So when they go in your bike, this here, that's where your exhaust is going to fall at. All up under here. Now don't use this bike as a reference, but this is a total different machine. It's sitting way too high.
So you gonna put the front back on, right?
That's a 30. That's a 30, right? That's a 26?
Yeah, that's a 26.
That was bigger than the one out there.
Except that's the special. Right. But that's previous model year.
Right, so what I ordered is going to be longer than that.
Longer than
That's what I was thinking about, man.
it's going to be exaggerated. A little bit more to cover.
Unbearable hours later.
To paint already.
All right, so man, we come back from Tricked Out Cycles, man. This dude over there going through it, stressing. Man, that John, some numbers was crazy, but he getting it done. And next video, we're gonna be taking the bike up there so they can get started. Appreciate you guys hanging out. See y'all in the next video. We about to hit a car show, all right? See y'all at the car show, man.